So at Adams Polishes, we get the question all the time, how do I remove water spots from my paint or my glass, whatever it is? Now, it's a great question, but what I want to answer is, how do we prevent getting water spots in the first place? In this video, I'm going to talk about 4 different products and processes that you can utilize to prevent getting water spots whatsoever. Now, the first thing to prevent getting water spots on your vehicle is actually a process. It is not introducing water to the paint or glass, okay? How do you do that? Well, you want to clean your wheels and tires first, and if you have an engine, clean the engine first as well, and the exhaust tips. As you can see, as I spray down these wheels, I am not blasting my whole car down with hard water. Now, if I did that, the water would sit on the paint, it would evaporate, and then the minerals inside the water would stay, causing water spots. This whole side of the car is exposed to the sun, okay? On this side, the car is casting a shadow, so I know that this side of the car is in the shade, okay? So what I'll do is I'll start rinsing this side of the car first, okay? Because this side's not gonna be very hot as it's not exposed to the sun. Okay, now that the whole car is rinsed down, including the sunny side, what we want to do is neutralize this water, okay? So we're going to use a high quality car soap, foam the sunny side down first to stop the process of water spots. And then we go and we foam the shaded side last. After we wash our car and we're done washing it with a mitt and everything, start in the shade first. Now, the second thing you can utilize to prevent getting water spots is something called a deionizer. Essentially what this does is it removes any of the minerals or contaminants that are in your hard water, giving you a spot-free rinse. Something that's unique about the Adams Polishes unit is it comes with a bypass valve. Now, the advantage to having a bypass valve on your deionizer is it essentially extends the life of the resin that is inside of your tank. The resin inside of here is what is filtering your water as it comes out. When you hook this up initially, you can check the included TDS meter that comes with the deionizer. And when you check your water before hooking up the deionizer, you will see the ppm or parts per million of your water. And when you hook up your deionizer and start running the water through it, it reduces the total dissolved solids down to 0 ppm or parts per million. Now, if you want to learn more about the portable deionizer, click the link in the description or go to adamspolishes.com and search for the portable deionizer. Okay, it's going to have all the information you need to understand how to achieve a spot-free rinse. Now, the third thing to prevent water spots, which we actually talked about in the first section, is a high quality car soap. Okay, so all of Adams Polishes car soaps here are pH neutral, which means they neutralize the water, eliminating the chance for water spots. They vary in different aspects, from the amount of foam you get out of it to the amount of lubricity to maybe some protection that it's adding. When you initially rinse your car, you don't want that hard water sitting and drying on your car. It is safer to have our car soap mixture dry on your vehicle than it is to have hard water dry on your vehicle. So after you have foamed the car down with your foam cannon or foam gun, you wash the car. After you're done washing, you need to rinse your car, right? Now, instead of rinsing the car and then going and trying to figure out your drying towel, your forced air unit, where you're gonna dry the car, leave the soap on your car, okay? It neutralizes the water, so no water spots are gonna happen even if the soap dries on your car. Now, you have your drying stuff ready to go, you're ready to move on with your wash, rinse the car, but now the clock is started, because as soon as that hard water sits on your car, you have to get it off or else you're gonna develop water spots. So now we're gonna talk about the last thing that makes drying your car and getting the water off much easier. Lastly, the thing that's gonna help you prevent getting water spots is going to be a ceramic coating, and more importantly, a graphene ceramic coating. The ceramic coating creates a dynamic hydrophobic surface, meaning the water beads up like crazy and falls off the car, okay? So it leaves less water on the surface. So when you dry, it's much easier, but also Less water on the surface means less hard water on the surface, so less chance for water spotting. Because the ceramic coating or the graphene ceramic coating provides a very slick surface or low surface tension, you can use a forced air unit like any of Adams Polish's air cannons, and you can use this to aid in your drying process. So when I turn this machine on and hit the ceramic coated vehicle, you can see how the water instantly vacates the surface. Not only does it make your drying process more efficient, it makes it more effective so the hard water doesn't stay on the surface, creating hard water spots. In this video today, we talked about a few things that can help you prevent from getting water spots. So number one, straight up and down, that's free, is utilizing the shade during your rinsing, washing, and drying process, okay? Number two, a deionizer, okay? A deionizer filters your water, gets all the minerals out of it, so you get a spot-free rinse, and obviously makes your washing routine much easier and reduces the chance for water spots. Now, number three, a high-quality car soap like Adams Polish's Mega Foam or car shampoo, okay? These, when incorporated with hard water, neutralize the water, eliminating the chance for water spotting. Remember, the soap on your car is safer than the hard water on your car. So utilizing something like this is gonna be extremely helpful, okay? Then lastly, we talked about having a ceramic coating on your car, more specifically, a graphene ceramic coating, all right? And then when you pair this with a forced air unit like Adams Polish's air cannon, my goodness, it pretty much eliminates the chance of getting water spots. So this person here is ready to eliminate the chance for getting water spots on their vehicle. And I hope our video and these products will help you as well.